I love working with alcohol inks, and I love the fact that we have different mixatives or mediums that we can use with them to get a different finish. Let's compare the alcohol ink Pearls Kit 1 with the orange and yellow Spectrum kit from Ranger. I'm going to keep the pearls on the top part of this craft plastic, and I'm going to use the regular alcohol inks on the bottom part so that you can see the difference in the finish at the end. I'm using alcohol ink blender solution in order to blend them. You need to use the blender solution with the pearls. If you try to use isopropyl alcohol, those pearls will go all grainy and they won't blend the same way. You won't get the same finish. For the regular alcohol inks, though, if you didn't have any pearls or mixative with it, you could absolutely use just isopropyl alcohol. Now, the mica from the pearls settles at the bottom of the bottle, so you want to make sure to mix them really well, shake them up really well. There's a little metal ball in there. Make sure to shake them up until that mica is completely mixed in before you start to use them. Otherwise, you're not going to get the same result. I'm using an alcohol ink blower tool to blow everything around, and you'll see that when I started, everything was blending and flowing really quickly, but as the alcohol ink has dissipated, it's flowing a lot slower. So I'm able to add a little bit more of each of the colors, and they're pretty much staying where I'm leaving them. They're not moving a whole lot. So it's a great way to add a little bit of texture at the end once you've got the main colors blended before time. So now you can see that that pearl side has a really nice, pretty pearlescent finish, whereas the alcohol ink side is more just transparent color.